Hey guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Snapchat login error. Here you can see when I try to log in my Snapchat account, here I have given here my username and the password, and it's saying we could not find matching credentials. So how to fix this issue? So what just you need to do is tap here on the forget your password. And then here are two options, two methods to reset your password. We have phone number and we are email address. So from here you have to choose one you have access to. So I have access to my phone number, so I am here using my phone number, and type here your phone number and tap on continue. It will send you verification code on your phone number. So I have to enter here that my code and verify my number. Here you can see now it's saying for the new password, type here your password, confirm your password, then tap on submit. And you can see my password has been reset. So go back and now here enter your new password and tap on login. And here you can see my account has been successfully logged in. In this way you can fix Snapchat login error. So this was the process by which you can fix Snapchat login error. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.